Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Neri. For those who are not subscribers yet, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, share this video to your friends and loved ones if you want to. You may also leave your comments below. Let me know what are your thoughts. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to register in LiveGood and the differences between member consumer, retail consumer, and affiliate member, okay? Kasi hindi naman lahat ng nag-avail ng products ng LiveGood or networkers or marketers or people who are doing the business. Merong nag-avail lang ng products for their own personal consumption kasi kailangan nila ng food supplements and gusto nilang makatipid. Di-discuss natin today two things. First is yung gustong mag-business sa LiveGood and is yung gustong makatipid doon sa health supplements. I am assuming na you are here because you already know about LiveGood and you are seeking additional information. Punta muna tayo sa website ng LiveGood. I just want to show you something. This is the back end of my website. Makikita natin dito na since January 20 hanggang ngayong 29 is there are a lot of hits doon sa landing page. Ang statistics na to is regarding doon sa mga tao na nag-visit ng landing page. But then, as you can see, only one has pre-enrolled. So, this means to say na maraming interested na malaman kung ano yung LiveGood, but they are hesitant to pre-register or pre-enroll. Okay? Siguro iniisip nyo na baka scam or ma-compromise yung inyong data pag nag-register kayo dito. But I assure you na hindi ito scam. Your data will not be compromised and also hindi naman kayo i-spam. Although, pag nag-pre-register kayo, syempre, magpapadala ang LiveGood sa inyo ng mga promotion like informing you about what LiveGood is and all that. So, yun lang naman, wala nang iba. And maybe, kung ako yung sponsor nyo or doon kayo nag-register sa aking link, magre-reach out ako sa inyo. That's it. What I also want to point out here is pag nag-register kayo, please use legitimate or totoong email address. Kasi pag gumamit kayo ng fake email address, pag you decide to become a member, hindi kayo makaka-receive ng pertinent or relevant information regarding your account kung ang ginamit yung email address ay fake. Papakita lang dito na marami yung interested about the company and its products, but they are or you are hesitant to pre-register or register because marami ka pang doubts sa iyong isip. That's why I am here to give you more information about LiveGood so that maalis yung iyong mga pagdududa. Let's go to the landing page. I'm speaking about the landing page. Ganito ang landing page ng LiveGood para familiar kayo and hindi kayo ma-scam. Please remember na pag pumunta kayo sa landing page ng LiveGood is na andito yung pangalan ng taong nag-refer sa inyo. Halimbawa ako, here is my name, ni Riza Buizon. Ako yung nag-refer sa inyo, dapat na andoon yung pangalan ng taong nag-refer and then nakalagay dito is dito sa kanyang URL or address is livegoodtour.com/ yung pangalan nung nag-refer sa inyo. If iba yung makikita yung URL address dito, that means it is fake. So, huwag kayong maglalagay ng inyong information. Depende doon sa pangalan ng nag-refer sa inyo, eto lang ang mag-iiba. If na-direct kayo sa landing page na ito yung official landing page ng LiveGood, you have to watch this video. This is our CEO, Ben Glinsky speaking here, but hindi ko na siya itutuloy dahil 5 minutes dito and masasayang yung oras natin kasi pwede nyo namang panoorin on your own. When you have already watched that and nagkaroon na kayo ng idea kung ano yung LiveGood, pwede nyo ipasok dito yung first name, last name, and your email, and then reserve my position. That's all. Ganyan lang kadali mag-pre-register sa LiveGood. And then you have 7 days to secure your position kung within 7 days nakapag-decide na kayo na magjo-join or hindi. Nasa sa inyo yan. But then, kung hindi nyo masyadong naiintindihan yung English na presentation ni Ben Glinsky, meron po tayong Tagalog dyan. I will place the link doon sa description para ma-access nyo yung Tagalog presentation ng LiveGood. Ang URL address is livegood.contact/Neri. O pag in-access nyo yung URL or website address na yon, ito yung makikita nyo. Okay, ito yung aking profile picture, Neri, tapos itong green na button, you may press this. Nag-iiba-iba yung nakasulat na words dito, but pag pinindot nyo siya is mapupunta kayo dito sa landing page na ito. Okay. Meron ditong English, here one, here is the English, and here is the Tagalog presentation. Tapos kung gusto nyong mag-pre-register na o mag-register, i-click nyo lang ito. It's either dito sa dalawa na to and mapupunta na kayo dito. Same lang, ganun lang po kadali. Punta naman tayo doon sa pangalawa, for those na gustong makatipid para lang sa kanilang food supplements. Merong tinatawag na retail consumer and may tinatawag na member consumer. So, i-explain ko yung difference nung dalawa na yun. Punta tayo sa products. And as you can see, naandito lahat ng products ng Live Good. Okay? Lahat ng products, makikita nyo yung ingredients and yung certificates of analysis. Ang Live Good, as much as possible, is very transparent when it comes to the products and also in its compensation plan. Baba tayo dito sa pinakababa. Ang mostly kasi na nagiging problema dito sa Philippines sa mga nag-o-order is about doon sa shipping fee, especially kung medyo mabigat yung iyong biniling products is medyo may kamahalan. But then, meron na tayong international wellness pack na free yung shipping. So, ayan, international wellness pack with free shipping. Ang cost nito for the members is 89.95 and yung retail price is 129.95. Gamit tayo ng calculator. 89.95 times, sabihin na lang natin na 58 yung equivalent ng $1 to peso. So, that is 5,217 yung buong wellness pack consists of 6 Live Good products na very potent products or food supplements. Ang una is yung Bioactive Complete Multivitamins for men or pwede kang mamili for men or for women. Tapos yung Vitamin D3, K2, 2,000 and then Ultra Magnesium Complex, Organic Super Greens, Organic Super Reds for the heart, yung Super Greens for those na hindi laging nakakakain ng vegetables, Factor 4 anti-inflammatory, this is very powerful dun sa mga sumasakit yung mga kasukasuhan and may mga rayuma-rayuma ganyan, and so free shipping ito. So itong 6 na products na ito is good for a month kung iti-take mo siya ng sabay-sabay, the whole day. Hindi naman sabay-sabay na ano, merong gap. Halimbawa, sa umaga is magte-take ka nung iyong DK, itong D3, K2 na vitamins, and yung multivitamins. And then, etong Super Greens and Super Reds naman kasi is para lang siyang juice. Tinitimpla siya. It's in powder form that you can mix with your favorite drinks. Every product has instructions naman kung paano siya gagamitin. And Factor 4 is, ang sabi ko nga is, this is for anti-inflammatory. Very good for doon sa may mga sumasakit na ang katawan, kung ano-anong sakit ang nararamdaman. And Ultra Magnesium has a lot of benefits, especially kung hirap ka matulog sa gabi. It will help you sleep. Take mo yan, okay, before going to sleep, mga 30 minutes before going to sleep, and should be taken with food. 89.95 yung member price, and kung hindi ka naman member, ang price niyan is 129.95. 129.95 times 58. So, that's equal to 7,537.1. 6 bottles yan, ha? Ngayon, ang suggestion ko dito is, kung gusto mo lang bumili ng products para subukan mo, that is 129.95, I suggest na you pay na yung membership price. For whole wellness na siya, subukan mo siya in a month. Ngayon, pag hindi naging effective sa'yo, pwede mong isauli yung lahat ng bottles kahit wala ng laman, kasi meron siyang 90-day money back guarantee. So, 3 months. Within 3 months, pwede mong ibalik pag hindi mo nagustuhan yung products without questions asked, and i-refund sa iyo yung nagasto mo. Okay? Kahit ubusin mo yung products, no problem. If mag-a-avail ka ng retail price is just pay the 9.95 membership. 9.95. 9.95 membership is for the whole month. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng February, for the whole month of February, pwede mong i-avail yung member price na 89.95. So, 9.95 plus 89.95, ang babayaran mo lang is 99.95 for the whole set or for the whole international wellness pack. Unlike kung ang babayaran mo is yung retail price, 129.95. So, less 129.95, nakatipid ka ng $30 kung magme-member ka kahit sa month lang na yun. And after that, pwede mo nang i-cancel yung membership mo o wag mo nang bayaran if hindi mo nagustuhan. But If nagustuhan mo, I suggest na ituloy-tuloy mo yung membership mo kasi malaki yung matitipid mo doon sa product. Ang isa pa dito, kung gusto mong kumita, kasi bumibili ka na rin lang, di ba, nung products, just pay the $40 affiliate membership fee. Yung $40 na yon is mag-i-ensure na you will be included in the compensation plan. Hindi naman ito sa pilitan nasa sayo. If you want to become an affiliate, you just have to pay an additional $40 and that is for lifetime membership. As long as LiveGood is existing, you are forever an affiliate member. Hoping na naintindihan nyo. Merong tinatawag na retail consumer, member consumer, and then may tinatawag na affiliate. Kung gusto nyong bumili lang ng products, dito lang kayo. Pindutan nyo lang yung cart, then madadirect na kayo dito sa website na to. Make sure lang na shoplivegood.com o kung sa tour naman is livegoodtour.com. Okay? Palaging may livegood.com. Yun ang parang basis. Basis nyo na yung website na pinupuntahan nyo is hindi siya peke and wag kayong click ng kung ano-anong link. I-provide ko yung link sa baba and I can assure you that it is a legitimate link and this is not a scam. Okay? Gusto ko nga palang idagdag, I will be placing my Facebook profile link on the description. Pwede nyong i-visit yung aking profile and mag-send kayo ng message doon. Ako mismo ang sasagot sa inyo if you have any questions and hindi chatbot. Ang gawin nyo lang is mag-send kayo ng message. Kung gusto nyo akong makausap yung voice call, mag-send po muna kayo ng message kasi hindi naman anytime is available ako. Huwag po kayong mahiya dahil I am very much willing to assist you if meron kayong mga katanungan. Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!